Welcome to MB Frigo. We started our business in 1990. Since then, we have been acquiring knowledge and new technologies on a daily basis, and we have been implementing them in order to provide our partners and customers with the best possible solutions. We specialize in the production of cold rooms, refrigeration units and cabinets. We offer flexible solutions and custom-made design in order to make our products fit in almost any environment where quality comes first. Our refrigeration units are adapted to the area of work and their purpose to the customer's requirements. Option to configure the number of compressors, combination of high and low temperature cooling, heat recovery systems that create renewable energy. Our engineers will provide you with expert advice and the necessary support at all times, as well as advise a complete solution fit for your needs. Simply choose the shape and dimensions of cold room and we will produce it for you in standard step of dimension increments or reductions of 50 millimeters and angles in 5 degrees. Combine 2 cold rooms with different panel thicknesses and use your space maximally. Welcome each new project as a challenge and approach it with every attention to detail in an effort to accommodate our clients' needs with smart, innovative solutions. All our products are produced according to current norms and regulations. CE Mark ISO 9001/14000 certified. Our philosophy is, success and professionalism are achieved by delivering the promise.